Can you describe your home? If not, so don't worry because I am describing my home, then you will get to know how to describe our home. So, hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of 30 days English speaking challenge. And I hope you all are doing well. I am also doing well. So, friends, today I want to talk about, I want to describe about my home. So, my home is beautiful. First sentence. Okay. Actually, we are living in rental house. Okay, rental house, and we have we have our own house, but because of my husband's job, we were means we are living in rental house. Every 3 years or 4 years we have to move another place, so that's why we are living in a rental house. I want to buy, means we want to buy a house, but we are not able to buy because of transfer. So this is a rental house, and it is a good house. And uh, this is a 3 BHK house. Okay, so my one is living room, and 3 BHK means 3 bedrooms are there, and 3 bathrooms are there, and one kitchen, and some space outside, means where we put washing machine or other house things. Okay, so I like my living room because I spend quality time with my family in living room. So I like very much our living room, and I like my room also. And it is big, not a big space, but yeah, a sufficient space I have. I like kitchen also because I love cooking. So most of the time I spend more time in kitchen, and so I arrange systematically my home, means my kitchen, so it is also good. And in living room we have arranged a TV or sofa or center table we have. So, and in living room there is a space where we keep dining table, and in front of a kitchen. And kitchen is a modular kitchen, and we have all the things we have arranged nicely. And beside the kitchen there is one room which is my room, where I put means I keep one bed, and this almirah, and it is a attached bathroom we have. And then there is one room for my children. It is a small room, and we have arranged all the our children's accessories, and study table we have arranged. And that study table my elder one use because he studies alone, and I help my younger one, so I sit on the dining table. Okay, and so this is a small room. And one room is there where my father-in-law live. And all the father-in-law's things we have arranged there. And there is one almirah also. And so that is his room. And in balcony we have washing machine and all the other another accessories we have. So it is my house, and it is very good house, good space we have. And in my after means in front of my room, means my house, another person, means our neighbor is living. neighbor is living. And so we have, this is a apartment, this is a apartment, and we are many families here. So and near means downstairs we have a big garden and a playground and many things. So this is my house, and I love my house. I feel comfortable when I live in my house. So I described my house, so it is your turn. Okay, repeat after me. This is my house. I love my house. I like my bedroom most. So uh, this is your description, means that you have to speak about your home. This challenge is for you, like five sentence about your home you have to speak today, and one sentence you write in the comment box, then I will read and I will reply also. See you tomorrow for 8, means day 8. And until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep growing in your life. Bye bye.